Okay, these are some American Flyer standard gauge train pulling some of their cars. And this is a old standard gauge. I made it into a log car. I think it was something else besides that, but I put some redwood logs in there. And this one is what I wanted to tell you about. This is a sand car. As you can see, it looks like it's full of sand. And here's one that's empty. Anyway, in reality, that's not sand at all, but it's a piece of cardboard that is actually sprayed with this right here. And I cut the cardboard to fit exactly into the dimensions of the car. It's just a regular piece of cardboard, and sprayed it, and it just kind of sits down in there kind of snug, and looks a lot like a car full of sand. Anyway, thought you might like to see that, see how it goes. And anyway, some of my other stuff here. Anyway, all right, I hope you find that interesting. Thanks for watching.